Have you ever wondered if certain foods could help you lighten dark spots and pigmentation naturally? In today's video, we'll explore a fascinating and colorful world, purple foods, and how they can naturally reduce excess melanin production in your body. We'll break down the science of melanin, explain how pigmentation works, and reveal how purple fruits and vegetables acts like magic potions for brighter, even toned skin. Stick around. This isn't just skin care, it's science care. What is melanin and why it matters? Melanin is the natural pigment that gives color to our skin, hair and eyes. It's produced by the melanocytes, specialized cells found in the skin. While melanin protects us from UV radiation by absorbing harmful rays, too much of it leads to hyperpigmentation, dark spots, melasma, uneven skin tone. The production of melanin is controlled by an enzyme called tyrosinase. When this enzyme is highly active due to sun exposure, stress or hormonal imbalance, your body produces more melanin. The goal here is not to eliminate melanin but to regulate excessive production safely and naturally. While purple foods are so powerful, purple foods are rich in anthocyanins, a group of powerful flavonoids and antioxidants that give these foods their deep blue, violet and purple color. Scientific facts: anthocyanins have been found to inhibit tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for melanin production. They also fight oxidative stress, reduce skin inflammation, protects against UV-induced skin damage, brighten complexion by calming overactive melanocytes. Let's now explore the purple superhero of the plants world. Top purple foods that reduces melanin naturally. Number 1, blueberries. Rich in anthocyanins, vitamin C and resveratrol. They protect the skin from UV rays and neutralize free radicals that cause hyperpigmentation. Studies suggest that the antioxidant in blueberries can help protect skin cells from damage and contribute to a brighter complexion over time. Number 2, blackberries. Contains allergy acid which inhibits melanin production and brightens skin. Number 3, purple grapes. High in resveratrol and anti-aging compounds that also lightens dark spot by inhibiting tyrosinase. Resveratrol has shown promising in some vitro studies for the potential to inhibit melanogenesis. Number 4, acai berries. These Brazilian superfoods are bursting with antioxidant, support detoxification and clear clogged pores, helping skin glow from within. Number 5, plums and prunes. Rich in vitamin C and polyphenols that helps reduce skin dullness and regulate melanin. Number 6, purple sweet potatoes. While not directly impacting melanin production, beta carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, essential for skin cells turnover and healthy complexion, contributing to a radiant glow. Not only great for digestion but also rich in anthocyanins, helping to suppress excessive pigmentation. Top purple vegetable to reduce melanin production. Number 1, purple cabbage. This cruciferous vegetable is not only rich in anthocyanins but also contains vitamin C and other beneficial compounds. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to healthier skin and environment. Loaded with glucosinolates and vitamin A, essential for skin regeneration, helps detoxify the liver, indirectly improving skin clarity. Number 2, eggplant. Especially the purple skin. The vibrant purple skin of eggplant is a good source of anthocyanins. While directly studies of eggplant and melanin production are limited to its antioxidant powerhouse, contribute to overall skin health and production against damage that could trigger hyperpigmentation. Contains niacin, a potent antioxidant that protects skin cells from and improves skin tone. Number 3, purple carrots. Purple carrots get their color from anthocyanins, twice the antioxidant power of a regular carrot. Rich in beta carotene and anthocyanins, reducing melanin and improving skin radiations. Number 4, purple cauliflower. Contains vitamin C, folate and anthocyanins, support collagen production and fights oxidative skin stress. Number 5, beetroot. Technically more red purple but still packed with betalains, which detoxify the body and improve skin tone by promoting blood flow and liver health. While purple fruits and vegetables offer a fantastic collection of benefits, a holistic approach to the skin health involves incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Let's look at some of the other key players. Citrus fruits, lemons, limes, oranges. High in vitamin C, these fruits contains valuable for antioxidant and potential tyrosinase inhibiting properties. Papaya. The enzymes papain in papaya aids in gentle exfoliation, helping to remove pigmented surface skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Green tea, rich in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that has shown potential in inhibiting melanin production and fighting signs of aging. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds and fatty fish. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, which can sometimes trigger increased melanin production and supports our healthy skin barrier. Now let's connect this all to anti-aging and achieving their glowing face we all desire. The antioxidant found in abundantly in purple fruits and vegetables, as well as the other supportive fruits we'll discuss, play a crucial role in combating the signs of aging, fighting free radicals. This helps to reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reducing inflammation can help maintain a more youthful complexion. Promoting cell turnover helps to shed older, dull skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. Improving skin hydration, helping to retain moisture and giving the skin a plump and hydrating appearance. How to use purple powder? The purple powder shown on the thumbnail could be made from freeze-dried blueberries, acai berries, beetroots, or purple sweet potatoes. Add to smoothies, sprinkle over yogurt or oatmeal, mix with warm water and lemon as a morning detox drink. These powders are highly concentrated and offer a daily dose of skin-friendly antioxidant. Pro tip: always choose organic, no sugar added purple powders for maximum skin benefits. Combine purple foods with these nutrients. To amplify this affects purple fruits and veggies, pair them with vitamin C rich foods like oranges, guava and bell peppers, vitamin E like almonds, sunflower seeds, zinc rich seeds like pumpkin seeds and chia seeds, glutathione boosting like spinach, turmeric and garlic. Together this combination improves tyrosinase inhibition, reduces oxidative stress and supports healthy glowing skin. Avoid these foods that triggers melanin overproduction. To get best results, avoid foods that stimulate excess melanin production, refined sugar, fried fruits, excess red meat, processed dairy, smoking and alcohol. This cause inflammation, oxidative stress and hormonal fluctuations, all of which worsen pigmentation. Lifestyle tips to control melanin: drink plenty of water, keeps your skin hydrated and flushes toxins. Use broad spectrum sunscreen. UV rays are the biggest triggers for melanin production. High cortisol level can increase pigmentation. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your skin regenerate at night. Exercise boost circulation and skin detoxification. Final takeaway: the magic of purple. Let's recap the science-backed skin lightening strategy. Purple foods like blueberries, grapes and acai berries are rich in anthocyanins that inhibit tyrosinase. Purple vegetables like eggplant, cabbage and beetroot detoxify and nourish the skin. Purple powders offers a concentrated daily antioxidant boost. Avoid inflammatory foods that protect your skin from sun. Combine purple foods with vitamin C, E, glutathione and zinc for better results. So there you have it, the science behind the vibrant power of purple fruits and vegetables. While genetic factors play a role, studies show a visible brightening within 8 to 12 weeks of regular use. What are your favorite purple power foods? Share your go-to recipes in the comments below. Don't chase fair skin, chase healthy skin. And when your skin is well nourished, protected and cared from inside out, it glows naturally regardless of the shades.